welcome back to MedPrep by Academically. We have brought to you another exclusive opportunity coming straight from the NHM, National Health Mission. And this opportunity is for the medical officer. Absolutely, in the beautiful place of Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram, a place with a beautiful altitude and elevations, where you will be capable of handling the patients, providing them first aids, emergency checkups, etc., so that the medical standards are maintained. The first question that comes to the mind: how many vacancies are there? So there are approximately 10 vacancies which are available for the post, and you will be requiring an MBBS degree. Another question that comes to your mind: so when is the last date to apply? So 19th of February is the last date to apply for this post. So as soon as you go on jobsry.com, beneath at the end you have this official notification whereby you can find that the National Health Mission of Mizoram has invited the application for the eligible candidates at a contractual basis. It's not a permanent post, it's a contractual post. If you have an MBBS degree from a recognized university, you will be having a remuneration rate of 50,000 rupees as a medical officer, and there are 10 posts. Another thing, you need to have basic knowledge of Mizo language, at least as per the middle school. The last date, as I mentioned previously, it is the 19th of February, and you need to submit your documents, your government ID proofs, your matriculation certificates, your experience certificates if you have any, your MBBS certificate, internship certificates, alright, complete details on this mail cphcmizoram@gmail.com, or you can also parcel and courier the physical copies to the Health and Wellness Center section, Directorate of Health Services building, which is in Khatla. The application must clearly have the full name, father's name, address, mobile number, your complete personal details. So educational, personal and experience, all the three details must be included. So you can see what are the documents that you need to attach, whether it is courier or whether it is the mail. Curriculum vitae, self-attested photocopy. Self-attested means signed by yourself own. That is called self-attested copies of the relevant degree certificates, your registration certificates of MBBS from a MCI or National Medical Council approved college, and experience certificates if any, along with your passport size photographs. So if you are waiting out for an opportunity to be a medical officer serving the community and working under the NHM, one of the best and recognized by one of the very recognized institutes, so this is an opportunity for you. And stay connected with MedPrep by Academically, because over here you are going to get a comprehensive details of eligibility, salary, exam pattern, and what are the different opportunities for you as a doctor after pursuing your MBBS in clinical as well as non-clinical domains. So thank you so much. Stay connected with Akram sir, Payam sir for more such upcoming videos.